We have a contract with the South Dakota Department of Health essentially to look at different types of data. And one area of data is with infant deaths that occur in the state, and that's one of the projects that I work on. So what we do for them is we collect the data, we look at it, and help them understand what's happening in the area of infant death. So as soon as an infant passes away, whether it be in an in-home daycare situation or overnight in their sleep or a car accident. Of course, the appropriate officials are notified, whether it be the police, the law enforcement agencies, potentially child protection services, a plethora of individuals involved in investigating that death. So there are different forms collected. One is called the Sudden and Unexplained Infant Death Investigation Form, the SUDI form. So as much information as we can gather for that death, the circumstances, is then collected and it's populated into a standardized report form, a national report form. It's called the Center for Fatality Review and Prevention. And Jill Munger, that's her job, is to collect all of that information and to populate that into this multi-page book. Any deaths that have occurred outside the hospital since 2013 to infants residing in South Dakota, we collect those and look at them as a whole. And what we're seeing are practices surrounding the sleep environment that are deemed unsafe. Not by us, but by national guidelines. So that's the purpose of the infographic, is really outlining those 4 areas that I talked about. The back to sleep on a firm, safe sleep surface, free from soft objects or soft bedding, and then room sharing with their parents. And that's been shown to decrease SIDS. And so it's those additional components that we're finding surrounding some of these deaths that we really wanted to provide education in a quick, easy to understand form for these new parents who are overwhelmed with all sorts of other information.